So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Landlord YT. In this video, I'll be guiding you that how to use the Teams app on an iPhone or an iPad. So first of all, download the Teams app. Then if you want to join any call, go on the calendar and tap the join button to join the call. Now if you want to open the chat box, click on the screen and there will be an option on the right top corner. Press that and you will be able to see the chat box. So you can type anything if you want to ask some doubt, or you can see the link pasted by the teacher. Now if you want to see that how many people have joined the meeting, just tap on the screen and there will be a icon just right side of the chat box, and now you can see that how many people are in the meeting and how many others are invited. So another feature is that if you want to ask something from your friend, just click on his profile and there will be a chat option. Click on that chat option and you can type anything you want to ask from him, like which is the next period or anything you want to. So another feature is that if you want to see any assignments given by your class teacher or any subject teacher, you just have to click on the assignments and there will be an option SPMS 8D. You can just click it, and if there will be any assignments uploaded, you can check them out. You can also check the call list by clicking on that calls icon. So that's all for today guys. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel Landlord YT for some daily and awesome Fortnite content. Thank you guys.